What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock. But this is our Featherlite 3182 car hauling trailer. We haul golf carts with it, of course, but you can haul cars with them too. It's a double axle. It does have trailer brakes. The issue was when we try to back up the truck, the trailer would not move. If you put the truck in neutral or in park, the tires would roll fine, as far as the trailer wheels. But putting them in reverse, it would not roll. And it came down to doing nothing but double checking the wiring. We have the 7-pin connector here, matching it up to the wiring from the factory. The issue was the blue and red were switched, which is why it was not working. We've been monkeying with this for weeks, months, off and on. Could not figure it out. You look at all kinds of websites and other people talking about issues and whatnot. None of them matched up with our issue. So all I did was just double check with the stupid original wiring harness connection, and it's perfect. Something else to check though is your little battery. This little battery here, make sure that it's connected and charging. Make sure that it shows charged when it's done. If this battery, it's a little tiny thing. It's a little bitty battery. It goes in there. I'll put a link down below where you can get it online. But if yours is ancient, you may want to replace that battery as well. And just do the simple stuff. Make sure the wiring looks good coming out of your connector. No broken wires or frayed wires or nasty wires. Same with the breakaway switch. Make sure none of the wiring looks faulty. If yours used to work fine, that's a different story. But if yours never worked, which is what our situation was, that's what it came down to being, is double checking the wiring, because all the lights worked fine, center power worked fine in reverse, coming out of the connector. So it's just kind of silly that I didn't check the obvious, and that's it. Anyway, we're at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. We're an authorized dealer of Club Car, Denago, and Star golf carts. Come see us. I'll put social media links in the description. And we got tons of videos on our channel also, so check all that out. And you'll have a great day. We'll see you.